Pero pang iba, nag-shift na lahat because ang drugs, mura, madali itago, at pera kaagad. I said, I gave everybody, every general, I think, of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, meron silang kopya yung kay Ian Grillo. He's the guy who wrote about the sad state of South America and those countries who fall into narco-politics. If not interdicted, itong droga na ito, especially retired General Vicente Luot of Class 82, PMH siguro to. He's now the mayor of a municipality. Narco-politics yan. And a host of other cities na hindi na-validate ng